Welcome back to Learn Smart. Amit Shah, the Union Home Minister of India, introduced 3 bills in the Lok Sabha on August 11, 2023, to overhaul the country's criminal justice system. 1. The Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, 2023, BNSS, which will replace the Indian Penal Code, IPC, of 1860. 2. The Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, 2023, BNSS, which will replace the Code of Criminal Procedure, CrPC, of 1973. 3. The Bharatiya Sakshaya, 2023, BS, which will replace the Indian Evidence Act of 1872. The new bills have been met with mixed reactions. Some have welcomed the changes, arguing that they are necessary to modernize the criminal justice system and make it more effective in dealing with crime. Others have expressed concern that the changes are too harsh and could lead to the suppression of dissent. Let us compare the key provisions of the new bills with the existing laws. 1. Repeal of the Sedition Law. The Sedition Law, Section 124A of the IPC, was a colonial-era law that made it a crime to bring or attempt to bring into hatred or excite disaffection towards the government established of India. The law was widely criticized for being used to suppress dissent and free speech. The new bills repeal the Sedition Law, but introduce a new offense of endangering the unity, integrity, and sovereignty of India. This new offense is intended to target serious threats to the country, such as terrorism and separatism. 2. Expansion of the definition of hate speech. The current definition of hate speech in the IPC very narrowly only covers speech that promotes hatred against a religious community. The new bills expand the definition of hate speech to include all speech that promotes violence or discrimination on the basis of their race, caste, religion, sex, or sexual orientation. 3. Introduction of a new provision for community service as a punishment for petty offenses. This is intended to give the courts more flexibility in sentencing and to help rehabilitate offenders. 4. Requirement for the police to furnish an update on first information reports, FIR, within 90 days to ensure swift progress on cases and that victims are kept updated on their case's progress. 5. Videography of the search and challan, prosecution, process. This is intended to ensure that there is transparency in the criminal justice system and to prevent police abuse. 6. Imposition of a 1-year jail term for bribing voters during elections. This is intended to deter electoral corruption. 7. Gender-neutral offenses. The new bills make all offenses gender-neutral. This means that women can be prosecuted for the same offenses as men. It is still too early to say what the long-term impact of the new bills will be. However, they represent a significant change in the way that crime is dealt with in India. It will be interesting to see how they are implemented and how they impact the criminal justice system in the years to come. That's it for this video. Please leave a comment below on which side of the argument do you stand. As always, please subscribe to Learn Smart and hit the bell icon for instant notifications from the channel. Thank you for watching.